What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is my 2019 Chevy Silverado 5.3 crew cab standard bed, satin steel coloring, chrome accents, LTZ model. Alright guys, we are now inside the 2019 Chevy Silverado. Here is your button. It's the same icon that is on your key fob. There is a button also in the cab to where you can do this as well, but this button will lower and lift back up your tailgate, but you do have to be in park and the vehicle does have to be on for this button to work. So all you have to do is turn your vehicle on, be in park, you will press this button, the tailgate will release, you'll get a message on your dash saying that the tailgate is lowered. And you can also see it on your camera view for your screen. When the vehicle is on, your screen will automatically go to that view. If not, you can go and scroll through your menu and find that section and be able to see your camera view from the rear camera on the tailgate. And to lift it back up, all you'll do is press that button again and it'll lift itself back up, and you'll get another message saying that the tailgate has been lifted back up. And that is how you use your inside cab portion of the automatic tailgate. In the center here, you'll have this icon here with a truck and two arrows pointing down and up. This is your automatic tailgate. This will be the same icon that is on your key fob. So now, to use this, your vehicle does have to be on and it does have to be in park. So we are in park right here. Our vehicle is not on, so let's go ahead and turn it on here. We are now on. So to get our tailgate to go down, all we're going to do is press this button once and we will have a message here saying that our tailgate is lowering. Press it once. Tailgate open. So we can actually come over here to our screen and see that our tailgate is indeed in fact open. So let's go here to our home camera, and there it is. Our tailgate is down. Our camera is pointing down at the ground. So let's go ahead and lift it back up. Dismiss our tailgate open with our OK button right here. Let's go ahead and lift it back up. Press that button once again. So now this is something that will happen with your key fob as well. You do have to press this button and hold it until your tailgate comes all the way back up. If you release it too early, your tailgate will drop back down. So let's go ahead and press and hold this button and we'll watch our tailgate come all the way back up. Press, hold it. Still holding the button. Still holding the button. Now once it makes that beep, you can now release the button and your tailgate is back up. And you can leave it on this screen if you want, or get back to your home screen. Just press this button here, the home button, and it'll get you back to your home screen.